Look at the circle. There's a big angle in the middle and a smaller angle on the edge. Here's the key pattern. The angle in the center is always twice the angle at the circumference, as long as both angles point to the same 2 points on the circle. Let's label the center O, then pick 2 points on the circle, A and B. The angle in the middle is angle AOB. Now place another point, C, on the edge of the circle. Join C to A and C to B. That creates angle ACB on the circumference. Now focus on what both angles are looking at. They both connect to the same 2 points, A and B. That shared part of the circle is why the theorem works. The rule is simple. Angle at center equals 2 times angle at circumference, or in plain English, the middle angle is double the edge angle. Now let's use it. Suppose the center angle is 80 degrees. We want the angle at the circumference. Since the center angle is double the edge angle, we do the reverse operation. Divide by 2. 80 divided by 2 equals 40. So the angle at the circumference is 40 degrees. Notice how the edge angle opens less widely than the middle angle. Visually, the center angle stretches farther across the circle. In fact, it always opens exactly twice as much when both angles stand on the same arc. Now for the most common mistake. Students often use the theorem on angles that do not point to the same 2 points. The theorem only works when both angles connect to the same chord or arc. Always check that first before calculating. Memory shortcut: center equals double. The middle angle is bigger.